Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you want the best ones but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la la.
How done, guys? How's it going? Right, so limited here. Guys, this is a microwave taken apart. You might say, right, you can reuse that. Am I? I'll find something more into it. There. If I go like this, where it screws it, yeah. There. Look at that. Okay. What I'm going to do with this microwave, there's a screw on that side, there's two on that side, yeah. There's a few screws there, yeah, some there, yeah, screw there, and there's loads of screws underneath. I'm not going to show you, like, you know, continue with video like me stripping it all apart. I'm going to take most of the screws off, what I can see on the outside, and tell you what's possibly behind the door. Or I'll probably keep the door on, and I can fill it up with scrap. Yeah. So get to you when I do it. nothing down there. Yeah, so just looking to see if there's any scrap about it. Just thought if there's any to do at night one. Yeah, so I'll just go around the block, see if there's any scrap about outside. You know, just like we'll just walk around a big rectangle. It's better off if you're going to collect any scrap and you look around local. It's better off walk, bike, yeah, and whatnot. Yeah. And then you see any scrap and you can pick it up, quickly get in, strap it in your wagon, go back out again. And if it's something heavy, even if you have to quickly ride in and get your wagon, go and pick it up and leave it where you pick the scrap up, continue to go from bike line, and do it like that. Because then you're not using your fuel off, are you? I'm not checking down there because there'll be no down. There'll be no down there. Especially when you got this scrap wagon here. This camera looks big on you. For that bed. This wagon is good. But the problem is the back end is running a bit wide. I think this phone, what I'm using now, the spare phone, I think the camera is slightly a bit close up and you can't see me out. You can't see me out anymore. Oh, I can. Oh, that's good. I'm just trying to do it with my nose earlier. Apparently, someone down these houses apparently got a telescope. Well, no one knew who it is. Because my dad said somebody came round and said they got a telescope. Someone else said to me, I told a different person saying that they got a telescope. And I had to go to 5 different people, 5 different houses to say, oh, apparently you got a telescope for me or something. And then they go, no, I haven't. I ain't got a telescope for you. And I thought, Ooh, what's this? I'm not lying, guys, I did come past earlier. And that where I sink. Yeah, that was a whole unit with sinking piping still on it. It looked like some scrapman's oil bin and took it off. But I bet they didn't ask. Because some scrappers does that just lately. But some scrappers does that where apparently it's only scrapping someone's property. There's some scrappers where they don't care shit, they go on and just take it without asking. Even if they don't get no answer, you still come back another time to see something's in. You can't just go on and just go, oh, I take it. Nearly walked into the lamppost. So I was just walking around another block. Normally there's a, I know you can't see, but normally I get a bloke who normally gets some scrap off. And I ended up for a couple of weeks. For a few months. Normally I get some scrap here, but it's been a few months that I ain't got no scrap off him. Normally I get scrap all the time. And then I take it off him. Yeah, it's always a problem with some scrappers, where they don't care shit where scrap is. They just take it off a few properties, and then it comes to one day where police comes on the arse, and then they blame other people, say, well, no, they didn't answer the door, and then they still get fucked, because it didn't matter if it's in or not, if you didn't still give you, if you still didn't give you permission to take it, they still can't ask a thief. But if they went on and asked, fair enough. Yeah, I know I seen this thing the other day, it's still attached, and I was going to take it or not. I didn't know if they were going to ask or not, but I didn't know if they were going to put it back in again, because they were just sorting out and clearing arse out. But that's why I didn't ask, because I thought they were going to put it back in, because it looked alright. But now it looks like someone's just getting up to it and just smashed it up and took the sink and piping. Right guys. See you later. Sweet. I might start trying to think of something for myself. So I use someone else's thing. Screws from the outside. I still got screws still there, but I just took it off the microwave. Right, actually, when you get it out, pull it towards you a bit, yeah, and it's also, yeah. Just put that down, out of the way. See the diagram. That's the first time I see a diagram on the microwave. Yeah. That's why I don't cut that off, because then I can cut it from there. Yeah. I'm gonna leave the door still attached. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna take that screw off there, because that's gonna get taken apart. Yeah, all that. Yeah. The transformer. Yeah. What's there? See one just there. Then I got two up there. There's actually three up there. Yeah. Go to there. Yeah. Forgot what the cause. Yeah. And then there'll be another motor underneath what will rotate the disc. Yeah. There it easy to come apart. Yeah, I'll show you that anyway. Yeah. That'll make your tingling noise. Yeah. take all the screws off, then I, spread it out a bit, and then see what happens. I'm going to just remove that screw. Yeah. You see, that bit's still on. There's that coming off. So, I'll do. I'll just take that. Get that screw just in case I'll lose it. There's that screw. That's how rotten the floor is. Ready? I'm pushing that down with my hand. That's how rotten you can get these. Yeah. So yeah. So I got it up. I'm not letting go of it because if I let go, because that's got, they are heavy, there'll be a chance that it's going to be aluminium. If it'll focus. Yeah. I got to take some more screws out. Another screw, this there. Yeah. I got that there. Yeah. Everything off, cables coming off, some bit of plastic coming off, got some other bits coming off, belts coming off, that bolt's coming off, some other bits coming off. Yeah. Transformer, the motor coming off. Just took this off. Yeah. Another part of the motor, that's like that, motivation. Trying to figure out what, if they might pull out, I don't know. Just looking at that, it's got some weight to it. Yeah. I get to that to last. I forgot about that screw on outside here. Like this. Got it. Yeah. Then I just unscrew these. I just unscrew these. So I took the two screws out. I know that it can come out. So if I, yeah. Things that come out easy enough. And this board to come out. So only about 2 clips. Like this. One more to squeeze. using it as that. Yeah. And sometimes with them, I know I need to get pliers, cut it there, cut it on the other side. That thing will come out. Yeah. And then I just leave it like that. Yeah. Let's try and get this off now. Any like, you know, crap. Yeah. And part of plastic. Yeah. 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 Ain't right thing. Including them. Yeah. That won't fit in, but yeah. Even these solid plugs. I'm not messing about with solid plugs. Yeah, so I just have to get pliers to pull it off. So just quickly undo these screws. Yeah. Yeah. So just do that. Yeah, you can see now. Got stuff inside. So yeah. So took most of the plastic off. Yeah. Just a bit of brass. Yeah. That's just plastic. Yeah. Yeah. The best way for me for this is try and bend out the core. Bend that like a toe. Yeah, bend that toe. Yeah. And up a bit. time you're done that side, you're going to have to, yeah. Because it'll be on like that, and you just have to bend it. But that is a magnet on there. Let's take this off. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes it works. And there's a magnet on it, make it look harder. But sometimes you can grip it. But sometimes get underneath it. Yeah. Just to get it away from magnetic. Yeah. Yeah. Then sometimes you have to cut them off. Yeah. Cut most of that off. Just simple. Just keep getting that. Just cutting bits on it. Just on it. Just come off by just cutting so far. Then pull it off. Got the old magnet off. Yeah. Yeah. Got some steel off. Yeah. Into that now. I don't know why I do that. Just cut round the edge. Yeah. Just to get that bit off that. Yeah. What I've done here is going from the side like that. Yeah. Put it back till it makes a little opening. Yeah. And whilst I washed it, I just got whilst it opened a bit, I grabbed it hard, and then poured it, and it just got to me just coming out of there, because you just see where I technically pinched it, just to pour it back, like, and you can see I poured it back a bit, and that's where I would have grabbed it then. Yeah. Managed to get it underneath and pour it back, and it just pops off, and now I have to go in just like this, just like that. I know I left a bit of copper on it, but yeah. And then that's the steel. So yeah, that's just got that up easy in that. I know I sort of like, you know, put canvas and wheel up there and then do it that way. Yeah, just set it up there and simple as like that. Yeah. I'm just gonna leave that how it is, so taking it apart. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna put it up with the other one, because I got one there, and I got another one back there. Yeah. I know I took it apart, but I'll put that with that one just there. And then I'll put this with others. Bottle fell over, but it's there. These are magnets, you got to be careful sometimes. Yeah. And I put these with my vest, because I've got magnet there, magnet up there. God knows what I've done with my other ones. Don't know what I've done with my other ones, but I started new one just there. With the copper stuff, yeah. Don't know what I might do. But I was, well, I just started a new bottle and I sorted out one day when it gets full. Aluminium, I'll put them somewhere. That same as that one. I'll put them somewhere. The cable goes in the bag what I got. Yeah. Transformers, that will go on that over there. Yeah, they. I'll do them a different day. Yeah, you see inside there. I'll do them another day, guys. Get some more videos out. Put them up there. Yeah. I'll leave that on there. I'll put it on there somewhere. I'll probably chuck them at scrap, or depends if somebody wants them. Yeah. Screws, I'll put them to one side. Yeah. No one's to take apart. That's it. Right, guys. This is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.